Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into one of the most striking power cruisers of 2025, the Ducati Diavel. A bike that blurs the line between a muscle cruiser and a sport bike, the new Diavel continues Ducati's legacy of blending high performance with bold design. With its aggressive stance, cutting-edge technology, and a power-packed engine, the 2025 Diavel is a machine that commands attention on the road. At the heart of this beast is Ducati's 1158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine, the same powerhouse found in the Multistrada V4. This engine delivers an exhilarating 168 horsepower and 126 Nm of torque, providing relentless acceleration and an unmistakable exhaust note that roars with authority. Unlike a traditional cruiser, the Diavel's engine is high-revving and performance-oriented, making it one of the most thrilling bikes in its class. Ducati has refined the power delivery to ensure smoothness at lower revs, making it equally enjoyable for urban cruising or highway sprints. The design of the 2025 Diavel remains unmistakably bold. The muscular fuel tank, sculpted tail section, and a single-sided swing arm showcase Ducati's attention to detail. The full LED lighting system, with its signature DRL, adds a futuristic touch while improving visibility. One of the most eye-catching elements is the massive 240mm rear tire, which not only enhances the bike's aggressive stance but also improves stability and traction. The lightweight aluminum frame and carefully designed ergonomics ensure a balance between comfort and control, making the Diavel a great choice for both short city rides and long-distance cruising. Ducati has equipped the Diavel with top-tier electronics to match its high-performance nature. The 6-axis IMU enables features like cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preference. The new 5-inch TFT display provides intuitive access to all settings and includes smartphone connectivity, navigation, and multimedia controls. Ducati's quick shifter system ensures seamless gear changes, enhancing the riding experience, whether you're pushing the bike to its limits or cruising effortlessly. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Diavel is in a league of its own. The fully adjustable suspension setup, consisting of high-quality forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, ensures a perfect balance between comfort and sporty dynamics. Despite its long wheelbase and cruiser-like stance, the bike is surprisingly agile, allowing riders to confidently carve through corners. Brembo's high-performance braking system, featuring twin discs at the front and a single disc at the rear, provides exceptional stopping power, ensuring maximum control at high speeds. Ducati has also introduced a new set of accessories for the Diavel, allowing riders to personalize their bikes to their liking. Options include carbon fiber accents, premium seats, touring-friendly luggage, and performance exhaust systems. The factory paint options for 2025 include classic Ducati red, stealthy black on black, and a new pearl white finish that enhances the bike's premium appeal. The 2025 Ducati Diavel is not just about raw power and aggressive styling, it's also designed for everyday usability. The revised seat and ergonomic handlebars make long rides more comfortable, while the updated fuel efficiency ensures a decent range for touring. The integration of modern tech like keyless ignition, cruise control, and adaptive lighting adds to the convenience, making this bike a well-rounded package for riders who want both thrill and practicality. For those looking for an even more exclusive experience, Ducati offers the Diavel V4 Lamborghini Edition, inspired by the legendary Italian supercar brand. This limited edition model features unique styling elements, lightweight carbon fiber components, and a distinctive paint scheme that pays homage to Lamborghini's design language. With only a limited number available, this special edition is sure to become a collector's item. In conclusion, the 2025 Ducati Diavel is a power cruiser that refuses to be categorized. It combines the heart of a superbike with the soul of a cruiser, delivering an unmatched riding experience. Whether you're drawn to its jaw-dropping looks, high-performance engine, or cutting-edge technology, the Diavel proves once again why it's one of the most desirable motorcycles in the world. Ducati has taken an already outstanding machine and refined it further, making it a top choice for riders who crave power, style, and versatility. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ducati Diavel. Would you take it for a ride? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things automotive. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse, and I'll see you in the next video.